Dr. Magda's and Nerdy Nard's Chemistry Zoom Party is an online science engagement initiative designed to offer hands-on science activities for primary school students. Science kits are sent to Western Australian families who join a live online event where they conduct experiments in real time together with ECU science staff.
We do it live from here. We have quite a lot of cameras. I think that's what makes it quite exciting for students who don't get the opportunity to go to university to see what it's like to be on campus. And a scientist explaining the science directly to the child, and also the child got to participate and do the experiment. Even though they were simple experiments, the idea was to engage students in doing the experiments and also arouse curiosity in science. You know, what is science about? And hopefully plant a little seed which will then grow, and in the future they will consider studying science at university and further on.